beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today we are unboxing my Fabfitfun Winter 2021 edit sale, as well as the mystery bag that I also got in this box. So this box, guys, is pretty big, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna break this bad boy open and we'll hit the video off from there. So if you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, Fabfitfun is a lifestyle box. You do have to be a member to subscribe. They offer seasonal sales on a lot of great products and merchandise. And I always try to buy the mystery bags every time they have a sale. And I picked up a few of my other favorite products that they had on sale as well. So I'm going to get right into showing you guys what's in my box. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to show you guys what I got out of the winter Fabfitfun edit sale. Apparently I lost my damn mind and was just ordering a bunch of stuff, and I thought I went back and took things out of my cart, but I clearly didn't, because yeah, I have all of it here. So which I'm just going to show you what I got in here. So the first product that I'm going to show you, this is Urban Skin brand. I've used their product before. Their products work really well. And this is the cleansing bar. If you have any kind of problem with acne and you're trying to get it under control, this is awesome to use. This product is real easy to use. This product actually lasts you a while too, if you have never used it before. But anybody with any kind of problems, you're trying to clear up your skin, you have the marks, you have breakouts, I would recommend that you do give Urban Skin a try and try out this product. And basically you just lather this up in the shower or wherever you wash your face at, the sink, and you leave it on your skin for like up to 3 minutes, almost like a little mini mask. Or you could just use it and just wash your face and go. But I've used this before. Absolutely great product. Definitely should try it out if you haven't used it. So for this cleansing bar, I actually paid $3.99, which is a very good deal. That was a uber good deal. I think, what does this product normally sell for? Is it like $14? If you go on the website, I think it's like $14. So $3.99 is awesome. So awesome deal. The next product that I got, guys, I got the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. This is a deep conditioning hair treatment. I've used this before and I haven't seen it on there in a while, and I really enjoy using it. I normally steam my hair with the steamer and have like a deep conditioner in, and this one does a really good job with helping to keep the moisture in your hair, making sure your hair is able to stretch without breaking off. Very good product. It says the verbiage on here is treatment delivers a supercharged boost of elasticity, moisture, and strength to fine, medium, and coarse hairs. Our award-winning pre-shampoo nutrient-rich formula helps to reduce the likeliness of breakage, leaving hair bouncy, silky, shiny, manageable without weighing the hair down. Apply as a pre-shampoo and then wash it out. But I've used this product in the past and I haven't seen it in a while, and I wanted to definitely get it because I did enjoy this product the last time. And this is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer, and this is like a deep conditioning treatment, and I got this for like $9.99, which is awesome. And where do I go next? I have so much stuff here. So I also got some sunglasses. I was supposed to only get one, but apparently I got two. So I have the BCBG's sunglasses. And which one is this one that I have? Do I even know? Probably don't even know. Not really sure which one this is. It says Max Azari. So I'm going to pop these out and show these to you. So this is what they look like in here. They do give you this beautiful case. This case is nice. This is a good case. And I love sunglasses, so I had to pick something up. Right? So this is the sunglasses here, and I'm going to pull that off. As you can see, they have like the gold framing going around. And this is how they look on me, which is always dope on me. I look flawless as always. Other than the ring light show, and these look absolutely great on me. So this is the first pair of sunglasses that I ordered. I believe these were $19.99, $14.99. Yeah, $14.99 for this one pair. And then I have another pair that were $24. So this was $14, which I thought was good for some BCBG sunglasses. So let me show you guys the other pair. And what's in here? Oh, it does come with a cleaning cloth inside too, guys. I have another pair. Because, you know, I have to be extra. So here's my second pair. So guys, this is my second pair of the BCBG sunglasses. And as you can see, this one is all black, but it does have a little bit of gold here on the side. And these look like this on me, you know. Always fly. Gotta have my sunglasses, so you know. So these are the sunglasses that I picked up, and I like these as well. I always need good sunglasses, but I never like spending a bunch of money on designer glasses because I'm either lose them, break them, or something. So I just picked them up because they were at a good price. I also got Korat. I love Korat products. I've been using them even before I found them on Fabfitfun. I always order them off of QVC because they always have the best deal. Where did I put these scissors? Really? Oh, okay. So I ordered the Wild Rose kit here, and I'm gonna pop this out of the plastic so I can show you guys. The Wild Rose products, if you have any kind of complexion like spots or something, or trying to even out your skin tone, the Wild Rose collection does a very good job. Moisturizer is great out of this collection. So this is the Wild Rose collection that I have here, and you get 3 products in here. You have the Wild Rose. This is the moisturizer, which is dope. I've been using this a very long time. Kind of one of my first products to getting into skincare. It is a vitamin C moisturizer. I love this product. It's pretty thick, and this is the perfect time to kind of use this product right here. Now we also have the vitamin C brightening serum. And we also have the shower. Is this a shower gel or the shampoo? This is a cleanser. Yeah, this is a facial cleanser here, which is a good size here. So I got this here. What did I spend on this? I spent $19.99 for the set, which is good because this can easily cost you. This is the regular size of this product, by the way. This can probably cost you about $30 to $40 for just this alone. So to get the whole set for 20 bucks, I think was absolutely awesome. And I love these products, and you should definitely give Korat a try if you've never used the Korat brand. But this vitamin C line with the Wild Rose is everything to help clear up any blemishes, marks, anything on your skin. Is awesome. So definitely give that a whirl if you haven't tried it. So let's go to our next product that I ordered. I was busy. I don't think I'm allowed to buy nothing else off of the next edit sale. I was too busy. So guys, I also got the Waxy. This is the pot, the melting pot for doing waxing. I do my own waxing, so I love using these beads, and I have used the product before, but I actually use a different pot. I have a regular wax pot, but this one is an actual set. So you get the waxing pot here, you get the beads, and these beads will last you a good couple of waxes too. And you also get the face and applicator sticks that come with it. And what did I pay for this? I paid $16.99 for this whole kit, which I thought was absolutely awesome because you can easily pay like $24 for the wax beads by themselves. And I got applicator, and I got the warming pot here, so the melting pot, which is reusable. So I thought that was absolutely great for $16.99. So again, Fabfitfun be there for the sales. They have some great stuff. So guys, this is the mystery bag that I paid $29 for. So let's open this thing up and see what's in here. Alright, the first product out of here. Hey, we got a Skin & Company product. So I have a facial oil. It says facial oil shimmering. Let's see what this looks like outside of the box. Skin Company is has great products. Ooh, look how it looks. It's like, I don't know, it looks like something sparkly is in here, but it says it's a facial oil. And let's see, the verbiage, it says it's good for all skin types. It is a luxurious, indulgent truffle therapy shimmering face oil. It's a nourishing, multi-purpose dry oil that deeply moisturizes while enveloping the skin, and with a delicately aroma fragrance reminiscent of sun-kissed summer days spent on the beach, wrapping the body in shimmer. Ooh, this would be nice to use. I've never used this before with Skin Company. I can't wait to try this one out. That'll be cool. So let's see what else is in this mystery bag. Looks like we got a comb. Okay, it's a wide tooth comb. There's nothing really fancy about that. So, okay, a comb. We can use that. So guys, the next product. What the hell is this? I don't even know what this is. There's no name on here, guys. So this is a mystery to us all. Let's open this up and see what this is. It has a smell. Is it a candle or something? And this is made by Maine and Mesa Blackberry Santal Soy Candle. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, not bad. It has a kind of clean scent to it. It doesn't smell bad at all. The thing, guys, this is beeswax paper, beeswax wrap rather. So this is made from natural beeswax and may be slightly sticky at the first time. So what the hell are we supposed to? Reusable food wrap. Okay, so a household kind of item we can use in the kitchen here. That was neat. So guys, that was the mystery bag. My thoughts. Okay, we have two winners, which are the candle and the Skin Company. The comb, and the wrap for food. It's useful. It's not exciting, but it's definitely useful. It was okay, I guess. It was an okay mystery bag. I wasn't blown away. I do like these two products. And we did get something useful. So I can use all of it. All of it can be used. So usefulness is a plus, but nothing to blow me really away. Guys, hit me up. Let me know what you thought about what I purchased and this damn mystery bag. Did you like this mystery bag? Let me know your thoughts. I want to know what you guys thought. Have you guys got the mystery bag before? And what did you get? Like, do you like getting these? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and watching me review the products that I purchased, as well as what came in the mystery bag. I will see you guys next time.